Atul.
Hello everyone, my name is Atul Bhosale and I work at Josh Software. Today, the topic for my presentation is beautiful global models. I'm pretty sure that when every one of us sees this beautiful global models, the first thing that comes to our mind is this, that is Miss World. And what else does it come to your mind? By the way, does anyone know what her name is? Her name is Rosaline Strauss. But why are we talking about her? Is she a Rails committer? A Ruby committer? No. We are not going to talk about her, but we are going to talk about them. The world models, that is, they are representing their each countries. So what is the significance, like what is the important thing about them? They are unique. They are known across the world uniquely, that there will be only one model per country, or there will be only one world pageant model related to that goal. So how can we implement this in Rails in our application? Has anyone thought about it? I'm exactly talking about this. In active record, when we do a find one on the model, we get a record and the ID is 1. But in case of two different models, when we do a find and we compare it, it returns true. So this is not, like the models are not, the instance models are not globally known. But if you want to implement this, what are you going to do? Well, there is a gem called global ID. Why do you need it? When we want to come across polymorphic selects, or you want an app-wide URI reference. What am I talking about is the model instance should be uniquely known across your entire Rails application. So as I already said, that is an app-wide URI reference, job scheduling. How many of you know that active job currently internally uses global ID? Yes, it does. And the second option, which is drop-down list of option. By that I mean polymorphic selects. That global ID is just a string, which consists the application name and the model class identifier. It is not as the same as the primary key. It is unique across your applications. So let's see, as we have already seen what is it, well, let's see how to use it. In this, on the screen, as you see that the global ID is the entire application name, the model name, and the ID, which will be different. When I compare it on the 6th line, it shows that it is false. I've made an application in which I've shown a polymorphic select in which one task will be assigned to either to a client or a company, either to an individual or a company. Like as I selected a project and I try to assign it, so I don't think so that it is useful to write a JavaScript for that drop down. In this, you can see that the global ID is the value. It is the application name, model, and the ID, and it will be saved. You have to just write this. That is, after including the gem, you're going to ask the database like which record it is, and it's going to assign. No need to write any JavaScript or any other things for that. At work, by this I mean that, what does it come to your mind at work? Active job, workers, yes. Whitelisting, arguments. That means in internally active job only allows these 6 to 7 classes which are allowed. And then what about the active record object? What it does is serializes it. That's the global ID string, which is a class of class string. Deserializing your active job objects, it is done by the locate method in global ID. So how does it work internally? Internally, it makes use of the Ruby's URI module and the generic class, which already provides us these methods, and it returns the entire global ID string. That's it. Thank you.